Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 GMC Terrain. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Terrain is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.